education industry is booming right now, and all other teacher, trainer, coaches want to impact more life using the power of internet, because right now syllabus has been changed and a way of teaching also has been changed, and everyone try to teach online and they want to teach online. And if you are the person want to set up your online training business, and if you are struggling and if not finding the way how to set up your entire business very easily, then I'm going to cover entire thing in this video, where you can learn how to set up your business, okay, how to do the branding, and how to get your customer. So I will show you inside that system, I will show you the mind map, where step by step I will cover you the 3 secrets to creating your online training business. Okay, and my name is Hasbullah Ansari, and I'm an online business creator expert from Hassan University. Let's see one by one. So if you want to set up your online training business, you need to follow 3-step method. And first step, what you need to do is you need to do branding, because you know that if your branding is so good, then your performance also will be good and your result also will be good. And if you see some of the company who don't have so much of branding, they will sell the item in the low prices. And some of the companies there, if their branding is good, they are able to sell their product or services in a high pricing. And if you are the person you also want to get the more out of your services, then you should also follow the branding. How you can do that? In this way you can do here. If you want to set up your branding, you need to have social media account. You also already know that how many social media account is there. You can see here in social media account, you can follow this one. You can follow this Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. These all are basic and essential social media account where you should have. If you talk about the Facebook, in Facebook you should have the pages as well as your own community, that is group, so that you can serve more inside that group. And moreover, then you need to have Google Business account. In Google Business account, what you need to do is you need to have map, because if you're running a physical business, if you're running a business, then you must have map, because person will trust you if you have map. And then you need to have profile. Whatever things you do, you need to create a profile on the map itself, on the Google Business account. After that, you need to have one personal website, because you are trainer, you must have one personal website to showcase yourself and you showcase your services in your all the training. Okay, that's what we need, personal website. Once branding is done, you need to have system. Why system means? Because system works, people fail. And if you have system, you can automate all the tasks and you don't need to worry about the day-to-day activity, and you can set it in an automation manner. So how to do that? For setting a system, you need to follow this 9 steps. First of all, you need to have offer and you need to create one funnel, so that if anybody want to be a part of your community, then must provide some of the offer so that they can become part of yours. Okay, you need to create one irresistible offer. Then you need to have LMS system. What the LMS system is? This is a place where you host your video courses. If you're not doing the live course classes, then if you are doing selling some of the video courses, then you must have some kinds of LMS system where you can host your videos. In that LMS system, there will be membership website, that is actually membership website, where people will pay you, then you will give the access to that website, so that person will go there and access the video. Okay, then you can also have mobile app, so that if anybody want to learn through mobile app, they can learn through mobile app. And you must have that email autoresponder. Why means? People after enrolling to your course, people will forget some of the things. So if you have email autoresponder, so what you can do is you can send email on the regular basis for the upcoming webinar, for the upcoming classes, for the important training, and whatever notification if you want to send, reminder you want to send, you can send all those things. Okay, then you must have SMS system. This is optional, but if you want to build a business, then you must have SMS, because sometimes what will happen means email will not open frequently, but person will see the SMS. So if you are running a good business, then you must have SMS system, so that you can set up, you can send the reminder through SMS. And as you are running an online training business, then you must have online payment gateway. So there are so many payment gateway is there, like InstaMojo, Razorpay is there. So you can use any of the payment gateway to collect the payment from the any mode of payment. Okay, that will be needed. After that, you need to have one webinar system, like you can have Zoom or something, or some other platform also you can have to conduct webinar, to conduct live training. So after that, you need to have one sales PPT. Why sales PPT means, if you talk simply, you will forget so many things, so many points while talking. And if you have some kinds of PPT, like this, I'm sharing you the mind map here. Like this, you can make the PPT also, so that you will not forget the important point. You will share all those things in a sequence manner, so that if anybody want to become your part of your training, then they can easily get whatever things you are going to provide. After that, you need to have one 3D book cover, because this will affect and this will impact your courses, because as you are selling a digital courses, then people need to see something. If they will not see something, they will not trust some more. Okay, if you want to build more trust, then you must have 3D book cover, where people will see that something they are getting inside that, and they can become part of your business. These are things to set up your system. And after setting your system, you must have a way to attract the customer. You must know how to get the leads. That is called traffic. You must have traffic to your business, to your website. How you get the traffic? There is many ways to get the traffic. One is organic marketing, and second is a paid marketing. You already know that organic marketing is something that you don't need to pay anything to get the leads. Something like, if you post something on social media, you post something on some kinds of free platform, you post something like email, this is called organic marketing. In this one, what we need to do is simply need to send the image post or something like video post. Whatever things you are training here, you can send some of the trailer part there. So likewise, I'm sending you the trailer here, because in one video it's not possible to cover all those things, but I'm sending you the synopsis of my courses, a synopsis of my services. Likewise, you also send to the system, send to the social media, whatever things you are going to teach, or whatever things you are going to teach them and going to give them. Okay, that is the things. After organic marketing, you can do that paid marketing. Why paid marketing means, if you want to get customer from the next day, you must do paid marketing. And in paid marketing, you can apply the Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Google ad, and YouTube ad. These are the major platforms where you can get the lead for your business. It depends what kinds of business you have. In continuing that only, you need to plan where to run the ad. Okay. If you want to know more details about that, there is a link below. You can click the link and get the chance to talk to me if you have any doubts. Okay, that is it. So I'm talking about something, a special bonus. A special bonus is, if you want to grow more, then you need to do something on regular basis. Something like content creation. You need to create content on the regular basis, and need to post on the social media at least for the organic marketing. Then you need to engage your community. If somebody is commenting you, somebody is sending some of the reaction on your videos, they must engage some on that, and bring them to the private group, to your Facebook group, so that you can give them more information, more knowledge to them. Because selling is something about serving. This is not about selling only. This is all about serving. If you serve more, then you can get more result. So that is the things. You can engage and serve the community, and in that way, if you serving more people, and you can collect the testimonial and reviews, because this will help you to become some trustable person, because so many person is sending you the review and testimonial. This will impact your trend. This will impact your growth. So like that. Okay. And if you are the person, if you want to know more details about this one, so there are two ways you can learn more about this one. One is you need to visit hasanuniversity.com/free template, where you can download the complete template about how to set up your entire business step by step, and complete video where you can get in details. Okay, and then if you want to talk to me in personally one-to-one, so for limited period of time, only for the limited period of time, I'm giving you the free consultation. So without making any delay, click the link below, or else I will give you the link in the description, or else you can see the here hasanuniversity.com/apply. You can apply for the one-to-one consultation and talk to me, and I will show you what else we need to do inside the creating the courses. If you also want to know how much cost is going to be and how much time it will take to create your online training business, all those I will cover inside the one-to-one session. This is completely free for limited period of time. So without making any delay, click the link below and become a part of that free training. And I say that this is a free, so first come first serve will be done. So if you book early, you'll get early serving. Okay, then I hope you'll click the link below and book the one-to-one session, and I will see you inside the one.